Welcome to BLOCKTV. This is Blockheads. We round up all the top headlines from around the cryptosphere. Reuters reports how Facebook is open to currency-pegged stablecoins for their Libra project. CNBC reports how HTC launches a cheaper version of its blockchain phone. The Wall Street Journal reports how Baltimore to buy $20 million in insurance in case of another cyber attack. Cointelegraph reports how Fortnite meets the Bitcoin Lightning Network in new Light Night video game. And the Block Crypto reports how Binance.com to add fiat pairs starting with Russian rubles. Reuters reports that in the face of significant backlash from regulators and the public, Facebook's Libra project is considering using cryptocurrencies based on national currencies such as the dollar instead of the synthetic one it initially proposed. Now, project head David Marcus recently said that Libra's main goal is to create a more efficient payment system, whether that be using their self-created synthetic token or a stablecoin pegged to the dollar and euro. Of course, this decision comes after major partners in the Libra Association dropped out, including MasterCard, Visa, Stripe, and PayPal, just to name a few. It seems that Facebook might finally be realizing that the Libra coin, it's testing the waters to see if regulators will be more willing to accept this massive project if it were tied to their national currencies and thus give the regulators more control over the digital currency. CNBC reports that smartphone maker HTC will launch a cheaper version of its blockchain phone called the Exodus 1S. Now, at launch, the phone will cost a mere $245, making it much cheaper than its $1,000 predecessor and very competitive in the mid-range smartphone market. Now, the Exodus 1S comes packed with cryptocurrency-related features that will let users exchange, lend, and borrow digital assets. Plus, users will be able to run a full Bitcoin node on the Exodus 1S, although buyers will have to buy a 400-gigabyte memory card to store it all. The Wall Street Journal reports that the city of Baltimore has bought a $20 million cyber insurance plan in case hackers infect their computers with ransomware again. Now, this comes months after Baltimore's computers were taken down by a ransomware attack, costing the city approximately $18 million in damages. And they are not the only city to do so either. The Wall Street Journal reported earlier that a majority of the 25 most populous U.S. cities had cyber insurance or were looking into buying cyber insurance. And it's easy to see why. The past year has seen a major increase in ransomware attacks against both state and local governments. They had big pockets and have been relatively easy targets up until now. Cointelegraph reports that Satoshi Games, a Bitcoin-enabled game startup, announced the development of a Fortnite-like game with built-in Lightning Network microtransactions, aptly named Light Night. Players will earn and lose Bitcoin based off in-game performance, such as shooting or being shot by other players. Because this game runs on the Lightning Network, player balances are updated in real time as they play the game, and they can instantly cash out their balance via the Lightning Network when they wish to do so. The game will feature both a Bitcoin-enabled and Bitcoin-less mode, in an attempt to appeal to a broader audience. The company explains that this is meant to tempt users new to cryptocurrencies to start experimenting with Bitcoin. If the game is any fun to play, remains to be seen. The Block Crypto reports that Binance, the largest crypto-to-crypto exchange, is preparing to add support for trading between fiat and crypto, starting first with the Russian ruble. Up until now, only fiat-to-crypto trading was only available on 4 specific Binance international exchanges in the Uganda, Jersey, Singapore, and the US. This latest announcement brings fiat crypto trading to the main Binance exchange. And last week, Binance also quietly added the euro and British pound pairs to its API, which means you can expect to see those to pop up as trading options in the near future. This represents just the latest move by Binance to expand its operations and offerings in its goal to be the biggest player in the cryptosphere. Well, that was Blockheads. Stay current, stay informed, and stay tuned at BLOCKTV.com.
For more news and updates, follow us on Twitter.